What's going on with Ernie? Do you like Ernie?
No.
No?
No.
Do you like Elmo?
No.
You don't? What about Abby?
No.
You don't like Abby either? Do you like cookies?
No.
No? Oh, now I know you're lying. Are you fibbing to Mama? Huh? Can you call Ernie?
No. No.
No, Ernie? Why no, Ernie? Can you call him? Call Ernie. Come on, call Ernie. Call Elmo. Elmo.